Hello everyone. So today we have a very interesting SQL question. So let's get started with it. The question says we need to find the customers who have ordered more than 100 reports in the last 6 months. So yeah. So we are given this table which says customer ID, report count, and order date. So basically customers are ordering some reports and there are different on different dates. So we are supposed to find the customers who have ordered more than 100 reports in the last 6 months. So let's get started. Let's go to our dashboard. So here we run this query, select star from customers. So we have this table. Yeah. So if you see 101 is appearing on multiple dates. Yeah. So what we can do first is we need to find the orders which have occurred in the last 6 months. So how can we do this? We can first of all check what is the maximum order date. By maximum order date, I mean the latest order date, and we can calculate the difference of months. If it is within 6 months, then we are supposed to take that record, and if falls more than 6 months, then we are not supposed to take that record. How we can do this? Yeah, we can use a function date difference. Date difference. We can calculate date difference in month. We can take order date and we have to subtract it from the maximum order date. So what is the maximum order date? Select max order date from customer orders. We have to use select statement to calculate the max order date, as we cannot directly write max order date here because aggregate functions cannot be used like that from customer orders. If I close this and run this, yeah. So here is the column which tells us about the difference of month. If you see this row, this order was placed in 2024 10/15. What is the latest order? Yeah, the latest month is 2025 5/15. So difference between these two is 7 months. So definitely we don't need this record. Yeah. Okay. Now we need to find orders by customer ID. So we need to definitely group by. Yeah. So this thing that we did where we calculated a difference in months, we essentially don't need this as a column, but we can use this result in where statement. We can say where this number is less than 7. Okay. And we can say we can select customer ID and do some report count as total reports. Okay, but we need to do group by customer ID. Yeah, just if I run this, I have this customer ID and total reports. But in the output, we need just only the two records because the lower records have order less than 100. So we can do some having statement. So having statement can be used after group by as a filter greater than 100. So through this we can get the desired result. Yeah. So here we have the results. So I am also putting the data in the description box. You can try from your end. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.